Hello, this is a simple overview of Oracle Integration Cloud Service. Oracle Integration Cloud Service is a complete, secure, but lightweight integration solution that enables you to connect your applications in the cloud. It simplifies connectivity between your applications and can connect both your applications that live in the cloud and your application that is still live on premises. First time we log in, we'll see this page with 5 options: create connections, create and activate your integrations, monitor integrations, create lookups, and view packages. In this overview, we'll see these two options. Primarily, we'll create two connections and then use it in one new integration to make a link which receive and send messages. Let's create a connection. In this page, there is a list of the connection that has been already created. This is the status, the date when it was created, and the user. The two possible statuses that the connection could have are drop and configure. Let's create a new one here. The adapter is one parameter that defines the type of connection we want to create. The best known adapters are Oracle RDP Cloud, REST, and SOAP. We'll see SOAP. We'll use SOAP for this demo. First, we need to enter the name of the connection. And second parameter is email address that is provided by your system administrator. Web service URL. Push this button, configure connectivity. And we're going to paste in property value. Last parameter we need to configure is the security setting. The default setting is username password token, where it's required a username and a password, but this is just a demo, so we're going to choose no security policy. This one here, no security policy. Okay. And in this right corner, where we see that is a progression circle, which will be completed at 100% when our connection or integration are finished. Let's test it and save it. Okay, like this, we need to create one more connection, and then we will use both to in the integration that we're going to create right now here in this option, integrations. In this list, we see the integration that are and already created with the status active. Integration could have four statuses: draft, configure, active, and failed activation. We're going to create new one here. Every integration have a pattern, map my data, publish to Integration Cloud Service or subscribe to Integration Cloud Service. We'll choose map my data because we don't want to publish or subscribe for this demo. Let's choose a name for the integration. Okay, it's already in use. And in this page we see this icon and this other. Drag and drop a source and drag and drop a target. We need to drag and drop the connection we have previously created here and here. Here are the list of the connections that are configured, and we'll choose one switchable for this. Need to write a name for the swap endpoint. It's a hello world demo, so one of these names here, either of them is available for it. Hello, nest, and done. And the source is configured here, so we'll continue with the target. It's the same process as the source, so nest and down. Okay, we'll see the circle bar progression. So let's save it, and we'll continue with the mapping. We need to map a source and target in these two icons. Create new map. And we need to drag the first name of source and drop here in target. This green line means that the map is done, so let's save it again. Oops. And we're going to create the last map. Here we had to drop first name and drop in greeting. As you can see, the green line is here, so we have done it right. Now the last step is do the tracking of the name. So if we say our name, the target responds with our name and no others. We have to drop first name and drop it here, and we're going to call it first name, and it's done. As we can see, the integration is finished with 100%. So let's save it, and we're going to the list of integration in order to activate it. You see this button that have pop up now. This means we can activate, and after activation the integration will look like this: a green check mark and active. We're going to enable detailed tracing so we know about all the process that we have configured here. So now the integration is active and configured.